The stars are brightly shining.
Here's how to play one of my favorite Christmas carols, O Holy Night. Thank you for requesting this one. The great thing about this song is it's made of 3 verses, but if you learn to play the first verse, you can play all of them just by changing the lyrics that you sing. Let's go through the chords to verse 1. We're going to start with this C major chord. I use my thumb, middle finger, and pinky, or you can choose to use thumb, second finger, and fourth finger. From here, O Holy Night, to the F major chord, thumb, second finger, pinky, the stars are brightly shining. Back to that C major chord. Then we stay on that. There's the night of our dear, G major, thumb, second finger, middle finger. I like to use my middle finger because it allows me to move to the next chord. Back to a C major chord. Then we stay on that C major chord. Long lay the world in sin. F chord again. And error pining. And here we change up the chords till he appeared. Really nice E minor chord. Here I use my thumb, second finger, and fourth finger. And the sol, a B major chord. Thumb, second finger, and fourth finger again for that. Back to the E minor chord. After that we go to the G major chord, a thrill of hope, to a C major chord as the world rejoices. Back to the G and C again, for yonder breaks a C major, glorious morn. Here we're going to transition with a G over B, thumb, second finger, pinky, just like the regular G, only difference is the left hand has a B note, and then this is my favorite part of the song. Fall on your knees, A minor, thumb, middle finger, pinky, to this E minor chord that we've learnt before, then this D minor chord, thumb, middle finger, pinky, back to that A minor chord. Resolve to the C major, to the G, C, F major, and then C, G, C. So C, G for 2, and back to the C. And then for the ending of the verse, we've got this interesting walk down in the left hand. G major, just move the left hand, G over F, then a C over E, F major, 3 more chords, C over G, to a regular G major, and finishing on a C major chord. So you may notice most of the chords are actually C, F, and G major, and then there's a few extra chords sprinkled in. We've got the E minor, D minor, A minor, and B. That's the majority of the chords. So once you can play them, the important thing is to have the rhythm. Now this song has a 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 kind of feel to it. The way I like to play it is in the right hand, I go 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And then the left hand, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Let's put that together now. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Just like that. And you can do that rhythm for the whole song. So that's how verse 1 goes. If you want to play the other verses, just play the same chords that I've just shown you and just sing the other lyrics. Now, if you want a better visual representation, have a look at the cheat sheet in the description below. But for now, let's have a go through the first verse.
O holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn for Christ was born.